Tracking email open rates is essential if you want to understand how well your email campaigns are performing. With Salesflare, this process is both easy and automated. In this video, I'll walk you through how to track email open rates with Salesflare and show you exactly how it can help you streamline your email marketing efforts. Stick around till the end because I'll also share an exclusive deal where you can use this software for free with added bonuses that you won't want to miss. First off, let's quickly cover what Salesflare is. It's a powerful CRM designed for small businesses and startups, helping you manage your customer relationships more effectively. But one of its standout features is its email tracking capabilities. By automatically tracking your emails, Salesflare gives you insights that can help you improve your outreach strategies, close more deals, and ultimately increase your sales. Now, let's get into how you can start tracking your email open rates. The first step is simple. You just need to send your email through Salesflare. When composing your email, you'll notice an option to track opens and clicks. Once you enable this, Salesflare will begin tracking the emails you send out in real time. You won't have to manually check anything. The software does the heavy lifting for you. Once your email is sent, the next step is checking how it performed. Salesflare integrates with your email inbox, so you can instantly see how many times your email was opened. In addition, if your recipient clicked any links within your email, you'll know that too. This gives you actionable insights about your campaign's performance without having to guess or manually compile data. The open rate is shown directly in the Salesflare interface. You can find it in your email's activity feed, where you'll see a clear overview of whether or not your recipients engaged with the email. What's amazing about Salesflare's tracking is that it's not just limited to seeing if your email was opened. You can track interactions like link clicks, which is a great way to gauge interest in specific products or content that you're promoting. But it doesn't stop there. Salesflare also tracks these metrics over time, so you can identify trends. Maybe your open rates improve with certain subject lines, or specific types of emails get higher engagement rates. This gives you a data-driven approach to refining your email strategy and knowing exactly what works. Salesflare's automated tracking and insights don't just save you time, but they also make it easier to personalize follow-ups. If you notice someone opened your email but didn't engage with a link, you can follow up with a personalized message that might push them over the edge. This kind of data-driven decision-making is a key element in closing deals more efficiently. One of the biggest advantages of Salesflare is its seamless integration. You don't need to worry about setting up complex systems or worrying about missed emails. It works directly within your inbox and CRM, giving you a holistic view of all your communications and interactions, all in one place. Now, if you're ready to try Salesflare, I have some great news for you. You can use this software completely free through the first link below. Plus, you'll get some exclusive bonuses when you sign up through this link, giving you even more value as you explore all of Salesflare's features, including tracking your email open rates. In conclusion, tracking your email open rates with Salesflare is straightforward, automated, and packed with insights that can help boost your email marketing efforts. Whether you're looking to improve engagement or refine your strategy, this tool can save you a lot of time and effort while providing valuable data. Don't forget, you can try it for free with exclusive bonuses by using the link in the description below.